Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to download 10 meters spatial resolution land plan cover map which is freely available. So in the Google type SC Living Atlas map or SC Living Atlas land cover and search for it. Now this is the website. Click on this link. So this is the interface. You can see that the image is Sentinel-2 10 meter land cover, and scroll down the page. And click on this link. It will take some time. Now click on this download GeoTIFF. And this is the land cover map. Now these are represented in grids. So select one grid based on your study area. So suppose I want to download this grid, so click on this grid. Now you can see that there is data available from 2017 to 2023. So click on 2023 and it is the recent data. I want to download it. So you can see that downloading it started here. Now after the completion, click your ArcGIS and add the downloaded data. So this is the data land cover map. Now these are numerical values which represents the categories of land cover. Now how to identify these categories? So go to the website and click on this I button. Under this page, click on this Sentinel-2 land cover to know about the more information. Now scroll down. Now you can see that there are various properties are given like spatial resolution, extent, etc. etc. Scroll down more. These are the value and their corresponding language categories and description. In this way, you can download it freely and you can crop it to your study area.